Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm actually quite excited to try this thing out. I recently got it for my son. This is probably one of the coolest things I've seen for quite some time. First of all, it's educational, but it's also, just really well made set of equipment where, the kids can play and learn at the same time and actually learn some real life applications of physics, electricity, and so forth. So I am actually quite excited to try it out and to see what's in the box and how everything looks like. So it says here ages 8 to 108. I'm not sure how many people will play with it at 108, but I mean at the age of 8, yeah, I see the kids actually, especially techies, are quite enjoying it. So let's open it up, see what's inside the box, and see if we can probably build a quick circuit just to try it out and see how we get on. So let's just open the box, and as you can see, so there's instruction manuals, solar panel, counter. I guess this is some kind of a siren, some cables, ventilator, some other bits and pieces. There's quite a few projects that you can make. Let me just pull this out. I guess there's a second box. Yep, there's a second. So yeah, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books of projects. Well, that's, will keep a lot of kids busy for a long time. So let's see. So we'll move that. We'll move that onto the side, and here's, I guess, the main box, right? So we have the batteries. We have, not sure what it is. I should be better at physics than this, but that is what it is. I guess we've got some connectors. We'll try them out. And okay, so I guess that's a board where you plug everything on. And then we have some resistors, lights, switches, voltmeter, I guess, different alarm units. So there's quite a lot of things to do. So let's see if we can build something. And I mean, I'm not gonna go through everything, but let's try something easy. So I guess we'll take this board here. Just move this to the side. I'll take this one here, put the board here, everyone can see it. Cool. So, and it just, look, it just snaps in. Excellent. So let's try a few other bits and pieces. So we need to put the bit, it's actually not that very well visible. Let me just get this box here. So this is better. It looks much better. So let's put it good. Anyway, so I'll do it like this. So you can see the board. Right. So let's put the battery pack on. Actually, I know what I'll do. To make things easier, I will pull this one out right here. And we'll have a nice background to play with. So we have a light, electricity. What else should we put? Let's put a switch. So let's try this one. Put a switch here. Maybe we should put this one. So it's easier, right? Switches on. Then we need to find a couple of connectors. Okay, I guess this is one. So let's try this one. 1, 2, 3. Slightly pretty connected here. So let's see how it looks like. Okay, let's see. And the light is not working. Oh, missing one. Need to get a little bit better in physics. Yeah, here we go. The lights are on. How cool is this? So you have basically quite a few different connectors, different sizes, and you have some bigger ones. So what else should we try? Well, let's try something else. Let's see, we have a propeller. Let's see if we can find the motor. Okay, here we go. Here's the motor. All right, so let's try. What do we do here? This needs to be like this. Plus sign is here. So we put this here. I guess we'll probably need a couple of batteries. We'll do this. Let's get this connected. Okay. So what else do we need? We need to run a thing connection here. So let's try. So that looks okay. Then we can do this here. And look at that, and it's quite easy to snap, and it's actually very well made. And it was, oh, look at that. Let's put a ventilator on. Let's try this. Okay, let's see. Look at that, and it works. So as I said, great little tool. It definitely has a lot of pieces in here. It has different LEDs. It has, I guess, resistors. So everything, you know, if your kids are into science, this is probably by far one of the coolest sets I've seen and tried in my life. And you know, right now I wish I was a kid and I wish I had time to play with this, but fortunately I'm not. But I'll definitely spend some time teaching my son. And even though it says from 8 onwards, my son is 4, I'm sure he will enjoy it. And you know, that's, you know, that age, it's good for kids just to get a little bit used to, you know, the basics, because at the end of the day they'll need it at school and in life. Everyone needs to know the basic principle of electricity. So yeah, great tool overall, very well made. A lot of different things you can do, a lot of different components, and you know, for I think for about 80 bucks that I've paid for it, it's definitely well worth it. So that's about it from me. If you enjoyed it, give us a like. I'll put a link to the tool, to this set on Amazon where I found it. If you want to try it out, I think there are different variants available. And thanks for watching. Hopefully you subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you put a like to the video. Much appreciated. And till next time, thank you very much. Take care. Bye.